masyado ng tanghali para mag-hike ng ganun ka layo. Cactus everywhere. So galing dun sa Island in the Sky District, nag-drive kami papunta sa The Needles na inabot ng 2 oras. Papasok sa The Needles District, meron kaming nadaanan ng newspaper rack. Ito yung may mga drawing sa bato na supposedly is 2,000 years na siya. Ang problema nga lang, hindi pa rin nila alam kung ano talaga ang pinaka-meaning ng mga drawing na to. Nalaman namin na napakalayo pala talaga ng The Needles kasi para lang makita mo siya ng malapitan, kailangan mong mag-hike ng total of 11 miles which is yung sa may Chesler Park Loop. At dahil nandun na rin kami, nag-decide kami na i-check out na lang yung kanilang mga short hikes. 10:28 in the morning. And the first stop we did right now, we are here at Pothole Point Trail. Ito siya, oh. Cactus everywhere. And lizards. Ang dami naming nakikitang maliliit na lizards. Look at that. Parang chalk na eh. Feel it. Wow. Pwede ka na, pag naligaw ka dito, pwede ka na magtago dun sa mga parang cave niya. I think yun yung The Needles. Sa dulo. Ang layo. Napakaluwag. Malamig naman. I see, but look over there. I wanna see that. We're like in the top of a canyon or something. I wanna see it. Tingnan nga natin dito. That's nice. So, meron ditong daanan. Oh my. Wait, yung mushroom rock.
Yeah, pwede ka tumikot doon.
Oh my gosh!
Dumiretso ka doon, Ben.
Oh
yeah.
my...
Dumiretso ka doon, pwede kang market doon sa gilid, at the end.
Wow.
Emmanuel, go find a way to get up here. Isabel.
I think that's what they're trying to do. Goodness. Ayun. Sa kabila. At least may traction.
Isabel, this way. Where are you guys at?
Woo! Nakakatakot na. Diyan ako nang galing kanina.
Ganda dito sa natin. It's very flat. So the potholes is up here, actually.
Oh,
It's on top. I mean, it's the same thing from the bottom.
oh, ay ko. Nice. Saan na yung dalawa? The Needles is over there. Akala mo ang lapit, but it's actually far. So if you are into canyon, there you go, yung Canyonlands. Ito na yung trail nila to go to that stone. So naghanap tayo ng mas malapit lang i-hike. Ito lang yung kaya namin. Kasi tingnan mo naman, maling tapos talaga. May campsite din sila dito pero kasi wala daw electric hookup. The best time to like really hike this is like early in the morning kasi ang lalayo ng mga route nila. I'm holding things already. Hold that. So right now we're looking for the stone house. Where is it? Are we lost already? Kung ako lang ayoko na mag-hike. Pero malamig naman. Kaso yung data talaga lang ng araw. And I have a migraine. So baby, be careful. Where is it? Oh, maybe over there. Oh, I think that's the one, Isabel. There's that pathway. How do we get there?
Just go down.
Do you see the pathway?
No. No, jump.
Yep. Oh, careful. Careful.
Not all the way down. Oh, you probably didn't get lost.
Yeah, we didn't. Thanks to me, I saw it. Okay. So this is the stone house. Ooh, I like the bird. Oh, I like the shade. Yeah, that's the stone house. So sobrang lapit na nito dun sa tinatawag nilang Cave Spring, pero dahil sobrang init, we decided not to go. My daughter over there, she's so small.
Hey, you're touching the pathway.
Hey, Emmanuel, don't do that.
You might get in trouble. Righteous.
It's so nice in here. The weather is actually nice. Ala, ang ganda ng panahon. Kaso wala tayong food.
Yeah, I know.
The Needles District is not for us kasi sobrang lalayo talaga ng mga trails. Napaka-open and wide ng area, so wala ka masyadong masisilungan kung mag-hike kami ng mga bata. And wala rin siyang wala siyang maraming bilihan around, napaka-remote niya. And not to mention, umabot ng 4 hours yung round trip namin. So we felt like we wasted time in here, pero at least medyo na liwanagan na yung aming curiosity. Hopefully, nag-shed light din siya sa inyong curiosity through aming gala. Till next time!